Welcome to Tuesday's Market SITREP here at Top Gun Options. Merry Christmas Eve, this December 24th, 2013. Wiz here, the primary urgent alert and weekly options model portfolio manager here at TGO. And here we are, folks, record highs. Market keeps melting up. Very interesting slew of economic data this morning. Core durable goods orders came in really well, 1.2%. Whenever you see the word core, it means X. In this case, or excluding, it means excluding transportation items like autos and aircraft. Durable goods orders blew the doors off of it. Looking for a 1.7% handle, 3.5%, nearly double what was forecast, and obviously that includes aircraft and autos. HPI is kind of a Fannie Freddie indicator. It's the number of mortgages backed by Fannie and Freddie. It came in flat. But we'll dig into that in a second here. And obviously, the Richmond Fed came in line with previous numbers. They were looking for a 15 handle, got a 13. But here's the day here is 464,000 new home sales. Not only did new home sales crush it, but new home prices soared by an average of 10%. And inventory is starting to decrease. So, relatively good news, right? I think so, but you always have to red team or become the enemy of your own plan or your own mindset to make sure you're right. Well, mortgage applications down 66% from all-time highs to a 13-year low. So that's a canary in the coal mine, okay? Obviously, a lot of this is rearward-facing data, and this is too, but when mortgage applications, and this is this week, some of those housing numbers are last month and everything like that, this is a potential canary in the coal mine, right? Mortgage applications collapsing. And how's the Christmas looking? Retail traffic plunges by a staggering 21% before Christmas. Very, very interesting. And this is despite those record promotions that started before Black Friday, right? Retailers had people destroying Thanksgiving in lieu of going out and trampling on their fellow Americans here. So one of the reasons, though, folks, might be the split in the economy between the haves and the have-nots, right? The economic haves versus the have-nots. Year-over-year percentage, the economic split is really pronounced here. And this president who campaigned on the income gap and how unfair it is, the income gap has grown wider under this president than any president in our nation's history. So for all his bluster and trying to narrow the income gap, he's made it worse. It's gotten worse underneath him. So that's not necessarily. And of course, what do you do when you're in an absolute train wreck of a rollout of the biggest government entitlement program in my generation or a couple generations? Well, you change the rules again. Apparently, we do live in a kingdom where even though Obamacare is, quote, the law, the president can change the law whenever he wants. Didn't know that was possible. I think one of our famous presidents said something like, I am above the law, Richard Nixon, but that's okay. Another botched Obamacare or something. Well, here's what we're going to do. We're going to extend the day. If you don't sign up by this day, we're going to fine you. We're going to tax you. Well, no, we're going to extend it a couple days. Then we're going to extend the employer mandate. Then we'll extend the individual mandate just for some of you, not for everybody, blah, blah. It's an absolute train wreck, folks. So for everybody who out there who thought government was the solution to our problems, to steal Ronald Reaganism, it is the problem. So Obamacare, as we talked about in my 2014 forecast, China, healthcare, Iran, the elections, and the Fed will be the five major themes impacting the markets next year, and this healthcare rollout's just an absolute train wreck. But let's end it on a high note, folks. Everybody have a Merry Christmas. Holiday shortened day today. Markets just kind of floating around here, up to on the SPOOs, up 30 on the Dow. We'll just kind of hang out all day until the half day trading day is over with. Obviously, markets closed on the holiest of days tomorrow, Christmas, and then it'll be a quiet session on Friday. So enjoy your week with your family, your friends, your loved ones, your cat, your dog, whoever it is. And also, please make sure you remember the reason for the season, in addition to the men and women on the tip of the spear serving our nation right now in harm's way who aren't going to be with their loved ones for a Merry Christmas. And obviously, if you're interested in our managed account service, our strategic partnership with the Black Bay Group, you can go to this webpage on our website, topgunoptions.com/interested-in-managed-accounts. It's a lot of dashes there. Or you can just shoot us an email, managedaccounts@topgunoptions.com, and I'll hook you up with more information from the Black Bay Group, our Chicago-based strategic partner that is an RIA, registered investment advisor, and is also launching a hedge fund in January, February-ish. So if you want more interested information on that, go ahead and shoot me an email. All right, folks, Merry Christmas. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge. And I'll talk to you guys on Friday. We'll see you.